How to fix WARDOGS Anticheat login failed? Anticheat failed to login correctly. First step, restart your device. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step. Open run and type the following text services.msc. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for EC Anticheat. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it. Click apply and OK. Then move on with next step. Open this PC, click it. Go to C drive, program files. Check for EC Anticheat folder. Click it. And double click the EC Anticheat. If you're not having means, go to the WARDOGS files location and check for EC Anticheat. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. And also search for WARDOGS. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means, click allow another app. Go to C drive, program files, Steam. You get the application. Click it and add it. Click add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Then move on with next step. Verify game files. Open Steam. Click library. Right click the game. Click properties. Click install file and click verify integrity of the game file. Wait for some times. Wait until it reaches 100%. Once it reaching 100%, close it, then restart your device.